Ford CEO reveals new revolutionary EV battery. The car manufacturer Ford has never failed to astonish us with its cutting-edge innovations, whether they be in the form of new car models or inexpensive ranges of cars. However, today marks the arrival of a truly game-changing vehicle, so let's have a look at what Ford has in store for us. Ford, riding high on the success of its new electric vehicles, has announced a series of initiatives aimed at securing the necessary battery capacity and raw materials to enable the company to meet its goal of producing 600,000 EVs per year by the end of 2023 and more than 2 million by the end of 2026. As part of its Ford Plus strategy, the corporation laid out its worldwide vehicle portfolio plans to back up these production targets. More than doubling the predicted global industry growth, Ford anticipates an EV CAGR of over 90% between now and 2026. "We are putting the industrial system in place to scale quickly," said Jim Farley, Ford's president and CEO, as well as the president of Ford Model E. Ford's new electric vehicle lineup has generated a huge amount of enthusiasm and demand, and now Ford is working to meet that demand. "Our Model E team has worked quickly, stayed focused, and been creative in their efforts to source the battery capacity and raw materials necessary to deliver game-changing electric vehicles to millions of customers." Ford intends to invest more than $50 billion on electric vehicles between now and 2026 in order to reach an adjusted EBIT margin of 10% for the company overall and 8% for EVs specifically. LFP cell chemistry is now a part of the nickel, cobalt, manganese, or NCM product line offered by Ford. This allows many years of operation with minimal range loss while simultaneously increasing capacity for items with a strong demand. When compared to NCM batteries at their current price point, Ford's use of lithium-ion batteries results in a 10 to 15% reduction in its bill of materials, and the company is less reliant on rare and expensive minerals like nickel. Through its collaboration with industry-leading battery firms from all around the world, the company has announced that it has successfully acquired 100% of the required yearly battery cell capacity of 60 gigawatt-hours to sustain this 600,000 EV run rate. Ford has stated that contemporary Amperex Technology Company Ltd., or CATL, will supply complete LFP battery packs for Mustang Mach-E vehicles sold in North America beginning next year, as well as for Ford F-150 Lightnings beginning in the early part of 2024. Delivering incremental capacity fast to scale and meet customer demand is made possible by the adaptability of Ford's electric vehicle architecture, which enables effective incorporation of CATL's prismatic LFP cell-to-pack technology. Ford is using LG Energy Solution and SK On to reach its late 2023 battery capacity objective. To support Mustang Mach-E and E-Transit NCM cell production, longtime supplier LGES has scaled swiftly and doubled its capacity in Wrocław, Poland. SK On has also increased NCM cell manufacturing from its Atlanta factory and added battery cell capacity from its Hungary operation to support Ford's high-volume F-150 Lightning and E-Transits through late 2023. According to Lisa Drake, who is the Vice President of EV Industrialization for Ford Model E, our team has been actively involved with partners in the United States as well as throughout the world. We move quickly in the key markets and regions where critical supplies are available, meeting with government officials, mining companies, and processors, and signing MOUs and agreements that reflect Ford's ESG expectations and underpin Ford's plan to bring EVs to millions. We'll move quickly in the key markets and regions where critical supplies are available. The mining collaborators with which Ford is working. The business revealed it's working with major mining collaborators and has sourced the majority of the nickel needed through 2026 and beyond. Ford has non-binding MOUs with Vale Canada Ltd., explore EV value chain opportunities, PT, Vale Indonesia, and Huayou Cobalt for investigating a three-way nickel processing project and an offtake arrangement with Huayou that will give Ford access to 84 KTPA of nickel. BHP, nickel from Nickel West in Australia. The multi-year arrangement might begin in 2025 and include other commodities. Ford's also localizing North American battery material processing. The firm announces EcoPro BM and SK On signed a non-binding letter of intent with Ford to build a North American cathode production facility. Ioneer has a binding offtake deal with Ford for lithium carbonate from Rhyolite Ridge in Nevada to sustain EV production beyond 2025. Compass Minerals signed a non-binding MOU for lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate from its Great Salt Lake facilities. Sierra Resources and SK On signed a non-binding MOU to acquire natural graphite offtake from its Vidalia, Louisiana processing plant. We would like to express our gratitude to everyone who has shown support for our work by seeing, enjoying, and commenting on our videos. Additionally, please let us know what kind of topics you would like to see covered in future videos.